In this video, you'll learn how to earn a $40 airdrop on Binance using AEVO. The process involves checking eligibility, completing required tasks, and claiming your rewards. By following these steps carefully, you can successfully participate in this limited time event. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in, look for the events or rewards section, which is typically found on the main dashboard or in the menu. This section will display various campaigns currently available. You need to locate the AEVO airdrop campaign within this area. After finding the AEVO airdrop campaign, take time to review the eligibility rules thoroughly. Understanding these conditions is crucial, as airdrops are often time-sensitive and may have specific requirements that must be met. Ensure your account meets all necessary criteria to qualify for the airdrop. This step is essential for confirming your participation. Next, you will need to complete the required tasks outlined in the campaign instructions. These tasks may include activities such as trading specific cryptocurrencies or staking certain amounts. Pay close attention to the specified time frame for completing these actions, as missing deadlines may disqualify you from receiving rewards. Track your progress directly from the event page and avoid skipping any requirements. Make sure to save any confirmation details you receive, as these will be important later. Once you've completed all the necessary tasks, it will be time to claim your AEVO tokens. When the tokens become available, check your wallet balance to confirm that the tokens have been credited. Be aware that rewards may not appear immediately, as they could be distributed later. Additionally, review any token lockup periods that may apply. At this stage, you will need to decide whether to hold on to your tokens or trade them based on your investment strategy. If you notice that the airdrop tokens do not appear in your wallet after the expected distribution time, it is advisable to contact Binance support for assistance. They can help resolve any issues related to missing rewards. Completing these steps ensures that you successfully participate in the airdrop and receive your benefits.